Good morning, guys. We're coming to you from Tampa, Ybor City area, and this is the La Segunda Bakery. They actually have two locations, one that's on Kennedy Boulevard, and then this one here that's closer to Ybor City. Looks like there's a little bit of a line inside, so let's go inside and check it out. Let's go make some memories. It's a view of the old sign from across the street and then the actual building over there. So see, they're only open from 6:30 to 3 every day. Oh man, what am I gonna get? They got eclairs, carrot cake, cupcakes. This stuff looks really good. I'm not sure what to get. Alright, so we got 2 loaves of Cuban bread. Let's see, is it as tall as you? Almost.
I would say probably.
Man, if you ate that whole thing, you'd be eating yourself in bread.
Thanks.
I like that old painting on the wall. Alright, so we're gonna try some of the bread here. There's no seating inside, so...
Look, there's this inside
It's like a leaf inside of it.
And it was in the other one too.
Yeah, we got 2 loaves of bread and it's in the other one too. It must be maybe something for flavor or
I'll have to
seasoning.
read.
Yeah, we'll have to find out.
It's really good,
Yeah, it
really
is good.
fresh and typical Cuban bread flavor.
Can't wait to go home and make a sandwich with this. Whole loaf of bread, it's got to be about 30 inches long.
36, yeah.
36. It was only $2.99. Good deal.
So we got 3 or 4 things. He got an apple turnover. I got a quesito, which is filled with like cream cheese. And then we got these 2 guava and cheese like pastry puff thingies.
What's inside of it? Just cheese?
Like a sweet cheese.
Like a sweet cheese? Like almost like a cream cheesy type thing? Similar? How is it?
Delicious.
Okay, your attempt here.
Oh man, this is delicious.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
That's getting eaten.
That's good.
It's so good.
So what went from a small sampling, this is all that's left. This is all that's left. The quesito is adioso. Here's the 2 guilty ones. All right, so this is the apple turnover that I got.
Pretty large.
Yeah, not bad for $2.99. Let's see. I want to get a bite where I get some apple. The end here, this looks like dough.
I know, but you gotta get in
go
there.
right into the middle.
Oh, thank you.
Sun came out. That's good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's very good.
Oh, he went in for the second bite.
I'm saving mine for later.
This is the guava and cheese like pastry.
Okay.
Like puff pastry. Pretty good?
Yeah, that's good.
And he doesn't even like guava, so that's a good thing.
That's good.
Okay.
So this is actually mine.
Thank you for sharing.
Oh man,
Go
if I'd
ahead,
done that,
take a
I would've
bite.
had a bigger bite.
Did you go right down the middle with the cheese and the guava? You
Yep.
got the good bite. How was it?
Very good.
Very good.
It's
Is it
like flaky
flaky?
It's flaky, which is good.
Yum. All right.
and guava.
I'll try a tiny little bite.
And yummy.
Yeah. Well, it isn't mine, so I won't keep trying, but I got the cheese. It was good.
Good stuff.
Yeah, you can see all the layers. Very crusty, the way
Hold on.
puff pastry should be. You see all
Yeah,
the
look at
layers?
all those layers.
Yum. And all that guava and cheese that I'm about to take
Wait.
right now.
Look at all those layers.
Yum.
Everything we tried was very good. The service was really good. if you're in the Tampa area, Ybor City, like I said, this isn't their only location. There's also one on Kennedy. So yeah, definitely worth a stop.
What's your favorite of the 3 things?
Probably the apple turnover, but that's what well, or the Cuban bread. The Cuban bread's really good too, but for the other 3 bakery items, I would say the turnover was my favorite.
You? Which one was your favorite? I mean, you didn't try the apple turnover, but other than that, of the other 3, what did you like the most? Be honest.
Mine.
Really?
All right, so that wraps up our visit here to the La Segunda Bakery. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that the right way. Very pleasant staff. Small inside. The line went to the door and we got there, but they're very quick in line. They're very good service. We got here and it was like 11 o'clock in the morning. Not even, I think it's like 10 something, 10:45. And they were already sold out of cinnamon rolls. But everything we got was very good. And if you're subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. If not, hit that button down below. Hit that like button, share this video. Leave us a comment if you've ever been here before. If you like Ybor City. And we will see you soon.